Let's make block 14 in the Fat Quarters Socialites 3 Quilt Along. For the 14th block, we have Crisscross Star Block by Lori Holt. The free blocks pattern will be linked down below in the video's description, as well as the entire free quilt along. I will be creating the 9.5 inch quilt block, so let's get started. With the background fabric, subcut fabric A, 8 3.5 inch squares. With your prints, subcut fabric B, 1 3.5 inch squares, fabric C, 8 2 3/4 inch squares, and the pattern is written for 2 of each color, but I did 8 separate colors. And lastly, fabric D, 4 2-inch squares. I also selected 4 different colors instead of 1 since I started accumulating small pieces of scrap fabric from just like random cuts. With that said, take fabric C's and on the wrong side draw a 45-degree line from corner to corner with a fabric marking tool. You'll place one of those squares on the bottom right corner of a background fabric A, right sides together, and sew on the line. Next, trim 1/4 inches away. Then you will select another fabric C and place it on the bottom left corner, right sides together, and sew on the line and trim 1/4 inch away. Your block will still measure as a 3.5 inch square, and you will repeat this step 3 more times, creating a total of 4 quilt blocks. Now take all of the blocks you just made and the 4 remaining fabric A background squares and place your blocks out like so. Sew your blocks together into rows, and then lastly, sew the rows together to complete a 9.5 inch square quilt block. Now there is one more step, and that is take fabric D and on the wrong side draw a 45-degree line from corner to corner with a fabric marking tool and place one of them on each of your corners of your block and snowball them by sewing on the line and once again trim 1/4 inch away. You will still have a 9.5 inch quilt block, and now your block is done. All of the free patterns and the complete quilt along will be listed down below in the video's description. Let me know in the comments how you are coming along, and I will see you all next time.